In the next few minutes, you'll see how easy it is to install our harmonized engineering tool, Sentio Creator, and get started with efficient device management. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. We recommend using Microsoft Edge for the best experience. In the address bar, type www.sic.com and press Enter to open the SIC homepage. Once the page is loaded, go to the search field in the top right corner. Type Creator into the search field. Instead of pressing Enter, select Sentio Creator 64-bit from the product variant section of the search results. On the product page, click the button Download Sentio Creator. A new tab opens. Here, simply click the Download button next to the corresponding file. By clicking Accept, you confirm the software general terms and conditions, and the download will start automatically. When the download is complete, navigate to the zip file and extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find two items: a PDF with the release notes, which we recommend reading, and the installation executable file. Double-click the executable to start the installation. You may need administrator rights. Follow the steps of the installation wizard. You'll see several installation options, but in most cases, you can leave them at their default settings. After clicking Install, the installation process will begin. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, a new Sentio Creator icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click this icon to launch the graphical user interface and start managing your devices. That's it! By following these steps, you've successfully installed Sentio Creator. To learn how to use the tool in your daily work, be sure to watch the next tutorials in this series.